everyone, this is a short tutorial on how to create a web reference and use it on your live classroom if you're using the Next Learning platform. The video is useful only for the schools which use Next Learning platform for their online classes. The first step is to log into your Next ERP with your school code and go ahead and click on LMS. Go to My Courses and the class for which you are creating a web reference, click on that. And the topic for which you're going to create the web reference, please go and click on that and take the particular session where you would like to add the web reference. Now, as the Next Learning platform doesn't allow you to send a hyperlink which can be clicked on the chat window, you can use this instead so that the students can access any web page. It could be a YouTube video, it could be a Google form, a test you're sending on Google form, or any link that you want your students to go to that particular website. In that case, you can just create a web reference for the same and publish it. You just have to tell the students to go ahead and access that web reference. Let's see how we can do it. Click on this plus sign for adding your resource. Now we're going to create a web reference. So click on Create Resource. Click on Web Reference. Now YouTube. If you are going to create a YouTube web reference, then you can click on that. But here I am planning to give a Google form for a test. Since it's very difficult for the students to copy paste the link from the chat window and go to the Google form, I'm going to give it as a web reference where they just click on the web reference and they are taken to the Google form page. So here the title, you can give your title, Google form test. I'm typing it here that way. Sorry for that. Okay, and then here, the next, I have to copy it here, copy the link here. So let me go to the Google Forms page. This was the Google form which is ready to be copied here. So I'll copy and go to the NLP and paste it. Click on add. So it has been added here. Click on done. It says your web reference is created. You can see this. The Google form test which I copied has been created. In case if you would like to view, you can just click on preview and just check it out if that works. Yes, it worked. It took me to the page when I clicked on it. So once you click on this, your resource is added. Let's go back and see. The web reference is added. Okay. So when the students click on this web reference, they are directly taken to the Google Forms page or whatever website you have given as the web reference. In case if it is a test and you don't want it to be published earlier, what you can do is during the session, you can give instructions to your students and go ahead and click on the publish button. Once you publish, it is available for the students under the resources in that particular section. I hope this video was helpful in understanding how can you post these Google Forms or any other test online and just publish it during your live session. In this way, students need not copy paste the link which you have sent, or you don't have to send it on any other platform. This becomes very easy for you. Thank you so much for watching Math Molecules. Have a nice day.